Friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video we have a look of Chainlink crypto. What's the price change occur in the Chainlink, what's the high price, and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Chainlink. In this video I'm going to show you with a live proof. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and update. Hope you subscribe my channel. As you can see here, now the price prediction of the Chainlink, after a price prediction, according to the price prediction, we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold Chainlink cryptocurrencies. So first of all, as you can see now on the screen, that is the price prediction of previous last 2 hours of the Chainlink. As you can see here, absolutely good news for all Chainlink holders. As you can see here, they take a high jump, continuously jumping of the Chainlink cryptocurrencies are starts. So first of all, very congratulations to our Chainlink holders. As you can see here, the average change is also in positive. 1.31% change occur in the Chainlink in the previous last 2 hours, and the price of the Chainlink is absolutely good. $30.61 is the high price of one Chainlink in the previous last 2 hours. So friends, now let's see the price prediction of previous last 1 hour. As you can see now on the screen, that is the price prediction of the Chainlink cryptocurrencies of the previous last 1 hour. Absolutely good news for all Chainlink holders. As you can see here, first of all, the chart is currently situation of the Chainlink in the cryptocurrencies market. Currently they are again ready for a jumping and take a high jump. So friends, as you can see here, the changes is every change of the Chainlink in the previous last 1 hour is in positive. 0.62% change occurs and the Chainlink in the previous last 1 hour, and the high price of Chainlink cryptocurrencies at this time currently as the $30.64 is the high price of Chainlink in the previous last 1 hour. So friends, according to the price prediction of last 1 hour, last 2 hour, it is clear that the Chainlink cryptocurrencies take a jump. Now Chainlink cryptocurrencies are in the jumping mood. As you can see here, now currently they are also take a jump. So my suggestion for all of Chainlink holders that they are start jumping, so wait for their jumping. After their jump falls down starts, sell it now. Currently hold it. That's my suggestion for all of Chainlink holders. Please sell, please hold your Chainlink at this time, and as they falls down starts of the Chainlink, sell it. My suggestion for all of Chainlink cryptocurrencies, currently hold, and as the falling start, sell it. What's your opinion about Chainlink cryptocurrencies? Is it the best time to buy, sell or hold? Please share in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.